That Catch More Fish coming to you from the kitchen. Look out. You know, we've tested Rage fish attractants in cold water and lukewarm water. And now we're about to go to the extreme and show you why at Rage Fish Attractants is the very best fish attractant on the market. We're going to go to the extreme and test it in boiling water. Here we go. Still boiling. Pour down in there. Gonna get our crankbait. That's smothered in Rage. Drop it down in there. Nice little setup there. Steam is busting this thing open. Look at that. Incredible how hot this stuff is. Keep working. I mean, this thing is super duper hot. Super hot. I don't think your water in Florida or California or Texas or anything gets this hot. I mean, this is right around boiling, just below boiling point for water. Ready? Open it up, see what we got here. Look at that. Smothered it in Rage, and look at it, it is still covering that bait. Boiling hot water. That's what's the best fish attractant on the market. Right there. Like I said, check us out, guys. At Rage Fish Attractants. Best fish attractant on the market. New hats coming soon. Guys, they'll be available on the website soon. Check us out. Have a good one. At Catch More Fish here. Tight lines.